Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share the recipe of delicious and healthy treat, Vegan Snickers Bars. It's healthy, vegan and gluten-free. Prepare your ingredients and let's get started. For this recipe we will need 200 grams of Medjool Dates, 100 grams of vegan chocolate chips, 80 grams of almond flour, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3 tablespoons of peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of melted coconut oil, 50 grams of roasted peanuts, and of course the scales. First, let's soak 200 grams of peated Medjool dates in warm water for 5 minutes. Place 200 grams of soaked Medjool dates, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract in a food processor. Process until thick and smooth, scraping the sides of the device if necessary. Now let's set aside about 1/3 of a cup of the mixture from the food processor, which later we will use for our base layer. And now let's finish our caramel layer by adding 2 tablespoons of melted coconut oil and 2 tablespoons of water to a food processor. And pulse until mixture is incorporated and smooth. Once our date caramel is ready, let's set it aside and finish with our base layer. For that we simply add 1/3 of a cup of our date caramel with 80 grams of almond flour and pulse until well incorporated. Now that all layers are ready, let's assemble our Snickers bars. For that, let's press almond flour base layer into a small container. Then using spatula, spread the date caramel evenly over the base layer. Then sprinkle the roasted peanuts over the caramel layer and press them down. Now place it in the freezer for about 1 hour to firm up. Remove the frozen filling from its container, then use a knife to cut it into bar-sized pieces. Return this to the freezer while melting your chocolate. Microwave your chocolate at 30 seconds intervals, stirring in between. And then place each candy bar into the bowl of melted chocolate. Use fork to flip the bars until they're fully coated in chocolate on all sides. Remove the bars from the melted chocolate and place it onto a plate lined with a parchment paper. And finally, place the bars in the fridge for 10 minutes to allow the chocolate to harden. And as easy as that, our healthy vegan Snickers bars are ready. Bon appetit!